What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. And today, as you see by the hat, it's a Nike day. We about to talk about these shoes. By the title, you already know what we're here for. We about to compare these Kyries, and I want to get your guys' opinion, and you guys will know my opinion on them, and see which one is better, this or that, A or B. So we got A, which is the Kyrie 4 Venus Flytrap. See if I can get y'all to get that color on there. You see that? This thing is pretty fly, right? You got the upper, it's all black with the silver Nike check with the orange bottom. And if you get up close, you got that green inside there. That thing is really, really dope. We're actually gonna get a little close-up visual so you guys can see better. I don't know what the lighting's like, but I got this hat on basically because of this. I think it's like the same, it kind of matches. Let me know what you guys think about these. I really like the upper. I like how the shoe is black, and this is kind of the opposite reason why I think this shoe is better than the other one, because the other one, as I will get more into detail right now, is these March Madnesses, bruh. They just dropped today. Fire shoe. Let me know. Okay, let's see what's going on with this reflector thing. Y'all see that? Because this bad boy right here changes colors based on where you at. Yeah, you guys can see that. This shoe right here is very dope. Just the coloring of it, I love the color combination. I love this black with this blue with this yellow with this white right in the middle of it. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comment section below. If you guys can see, the detail has like that little snakeskin print on there. These white ones are very fire. I like how the Nike check is like plastic. It reflects, it turns colors based on how the light is hitting the shoe. This shoe right here, to me, I think it is an A1 shoe, the way they made it. The only thing I've said before in plenty of my reviews, I'm just not a big fan of all white shoes because they're a little bit more to keep clean. But I like this shoe right here, boy. I like it. I like it. I like the colorway. I like that it's white with the colors poking out from the sides. It's really dope. And then this one here is just dope too. It got that orange, that bright orange, that salmon color. It just depends on where the light's hitting it, I guess, because sometimes it look orange, sometimes it looks salmon. Some people think it's like a Halloween shoe. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, man. Of course, we're gonna get the up close and personal visuals of these and the comparisons so you guys can see back and forth. And let me know in the comment section simply, do you guys go with the Kyrie 4 March Madness or the Kyrie 4 Venus Flytrap? Let me know what you guys think. I don't know, bro. If I had to pick, I mean, if I had to pick, I tried them both on with black sweatpants or whatever, drop crotch sweats or whatever you wear. I like them both. I like how the bottoms pop out on both the shoe. For me, it's really, really hard to say. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments which one you guys pick. Let me know if you guys know which one I'm gonna pick. Pause the video, comment down below right now. You're gonna pick the Venus or you're gonna pick the March Madness. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I would love to know your opinion. And I wanna know what you guys pick. But I'm not gonna drag this on too much longer. Man, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with the Venus Flytrap, the orange and black one. I think this is just dope. It goes with a lot of things, even though this orange is also, it makes it seem like you can't, but the black upper is just dope and it pops out. The bottom sole pops out. I gotta go with this one, bro. I gotta go with this. You got the black with the lime green speckles as if the shoe glue in the dark, but it doesn't. Then you got the orange bottoms with the black. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like I said, I will get up close visuals for this video so you guys can make a better choice yourself and see which one of these bad boys you guys want to go pick up yourself. March Madness, Venus Flytrap. I don't know what to do, bruh. Of course, that was thumbnail action. Just like this is thumbnail action right here. Look at the bottoms though. Look at the bottoms though, bro. Look at that. That is dope. The backs are pretty dope. I mean, it's simple and plain, but you got the snakeskin detail here. This one's just the leather. Then you got the suede over here on this side. Very dope shoe. You got like the snakeskin leather suede type almost. Midsoles is very similar. Very similar. Bottoms, Kyrie, very colorful, very popping. It's just all about what you guys like. That's what I want to know. That's what this video is about. Let me know in the comment section which one of these bad boys you want to go home with. If you copped them or not, let me know in the comment section. Some people did, some people passed up on them. Let me know what you guys did in the comment section, man. Smash the like button, share the video, subscribe. We trying to grow out here. We trying to do our thing. And if you have not already, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Follow me on social media, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. Everything's always in the description box. Remember that. Everything's always in the description box. From the Kyrie 4 March Madness and the Kyrie 4 Venus Flytrap, we all say peace. Very similar. Bottoms, Kyrie, very colorful, very popping. It's just all about what you guys like. That's what I want to know. That's what this video is about. Let me know in the comment section which one of these bad boys you want to go home with. If you copped them or not, let me know in the comment section. Some people did, some people passed up on them. Let me know what you guys did in the comment section, man. Smash the like button, share the video, subscribe. We trying to grow out here. We trying to do our thing. And if you have not already, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Follow me on social media, Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. Everything's always in the description box. Remember that. Everything's always in the description box. From the Kyrie 4 March Madness and the Kyrie 4 Venus Flytrap.
I get money, motherfucker, like I'm Jordan. It's the nigga flying foreign, make your bitches.